Good morning, everybody, and welcome to Thursday. Let's get started with our calendar. All right. So, if yesterday was the 22nd, let's start with this first. What was so special about yesterday, April 22? That's right, Earth Day. So exciting. I hope you did something good for the planet yesterday. So, what's today? Yesterday was 22. What's today? Let's count to be sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. How do you write a 23? That's right, a 2 and a 3. 23. So we're going to put that right there. So that's Thursday. What month is it? Month is April. April for the month. So we have Thursday, April 23rd for today. All right. Let's check out our weather with Mr. Benjamin. Here we go. Weather bear with Mr. Benjamin. So today is a little cloudy. Rains may or may not be coming. So we're going to put a sweatshirt on. If it gets rainy, we can put our raincoat back on. Put our jeans on because it's going to be a little too cool for our shorts. We're going to put our shoes on, nice big shoes, because as long as it's not raining, even if it's a little cloudy, we're going to try to go into the backyard and play. Why are we going to try to do some really big play, fitness play? That's right. We're working on our fitness journals. So if we can get in and out, even though it's a little chillier, make sure it's not raining. See if you can get some playtime outside. Now if you can't, make sure you're inside. Maybe you do some jumping jacks, sit-ups, yoga, something to get your body up and moving, okay? We don't want to sit on the couch all day. All right, really, really important. And then put that in your fitness journals, okay? All right, let's practice some shapes. So we've been working on 3D shapes, which means instead of just doing a flat triangle, it's something that stands up. So here's the first one. Sphere. Cylinder. Cone. Pyramid. Cube. Rectangular prism, triangular prism. Good job. So make sure you're practicing that and noticing those around you. So if you go camping, look for the different pyramids, triangular prisms. If you're outside playing ball, remember that your ball is a sphere, so it helps to work on those when you see your everyday objects. Does anybody remember our word for the week? Flower. Let's spell it together. F-L-O-W-E-R. Flower. So that's the word we're working on for the week. Okay. And today's book is going to be Water by PreK. So let's get started. Water is rain. Water is dew, water is ice, and water is snow. Water is high in the sky. Water is deep in the earth. Water is a tiny brook growing bigger and bigger. Water is a waterfall. Water is a small pond and a large lake. Water is what fish breathe. And flowers drink. Water is a salty tear. Water is a flood. Water's a long, winding river. Flowing to the sea. All right, let's get started with our plan for the day. So today we're still going to work on our journals, and then remember Scholastic Day 19 Animal Studies Penguins. So that's your reading comprehension skills. So you'll do your reading, and then you'll play a couple of games to see how much you remember, okay? So really important to keep working on that since I can't be there with you, okay? Math, let's make sense. So we're going to work on a review of coins, okay? So if you have any coins at home, this is a great time to pull it out. Project time, upcycled newspaper art. So we're going to talk about that. We talked about earlier this week about collecting all the newspaper and ads and maybe magazines that you can cut up. And so we're going to work on that today, all right? So let's start with your literacy journal. So go ahead and pull out your literacy journals. Make sure, don't forget your homework, okay? Thursday, 4/23, you should be almost complete with your homework sheet, okay? So, since it's Thursday, the 4th day of the week, you're going to turn to page 4 in your journals. Make sure you mark it Thursday, April 23rd, so that when I review your journals, I know where you're at. Okay, so we're working on compare and contrast. Compare, you're kind of comparing, seeing what's alike. You're contrasting, you're seeing what's different. So, just like before, we're going to write 4 sentences. You can write more, but our kindergartners need to write at least 4 sentences. 2 of alike and 2 different. This time we're going to compare sports. So you can compare tennis and volleyball, or maybe you're going to compare golf and baseball, or football and soccer, or football and basketball. So think of the things you want to compare in sports, and 2 alike and 2 things that are different, okay? So alike and different about those 2 sports. Do they both use a ball? Do they both use a net? What are they doing that's alike, and what are they doing that's different? For my pre-Kers, so I want you to compare sports, the same thing, but I want you to write maybe not complete sentences, but a couple of words that are the same. So you're going to put alike, and then maybe you're going to put ball, net, whatever the same thing is, the alike part, and then maybe use a couple of words for different, all right? So do that for my pre-Kers. Kindergartners, you're going to write nice complete sentences that flow, all right? And then you're going to draw a picture of your sports up top in the open space of your journal page, okay? So that's what you're going to work on today. You're also going to watch the math video for Let's Make Sense. So you have 2 videos today that you're going to watch. You're going to watch this circle time and then a math video. Art this week is nice and easy. So you all remember the artist Romero Brito, right? Beautiful colors, beautiful designs. So basically this is his heart butterfly. So we drew a butterfly using a heart, and then there's lines through it that make all these different sections. In each section is a different color. Maybe there's lines, maybe there's spots. This is what you're going to use all the newspaper that you've collected, or maybe it's old magazines that you're going to cut up, and you're going to do the same thing. So make your shapes. Maybe it's a design that you put lines through. Maybe you're just using circles or triangles or squares, whatever easiest for you. Outline them in black, just like you did here, and then find your things to fill it in. Maybe if you have a newspaper, you cut out all the words that start with A. Maybe one of these sections has all the words that start with A. Maybe it has colors. But figure out how to make each spot a little different, okay? So that's what you're doing today in art. You're also watching your math video. And you guys have a great day, and I will see you on Friday. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and the notification button so you know when our next circle time comes out. Have a great day.